Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel The Trade Blazer. Welcome to yet another live learning session on options trading. Having said that, first thing I wanted to mention here is thank you very much for each one of you, 500 subscriptions, and thanks for the trust and love. And I will keep it up and keep bringing more and more learning content in the future. So, what I would like to offer on the completion of 500 subscribers is that I will share a Google sheet or something where you can enter your details, and then what I can do is I can randomly pick some five people, you know and then share across a link to connect one on one, and then we can connect one on one, and I can personally guide you through with whatever questions that you have in terms of trading, or in terms of money management, risk management, and all that. Okay, or the trade management and all that. Yeah, so please wait for my next call on this. Okay, so and the second thing I wanted to mention is that somebody has opened dhan account with my link. So what I would like to offer for the ones that has opened dhan account or zerodha account with my link, so what I would like to do is please try to go to more or about page in the Trailblazer YouTube channel, and then click on view email address so that you can see my email address there, and just do any trade and share across the screenshot on this email so that I can recognize you. And then what I'll do is I can send a link with the meeting link with so that we can connect one on one and then guide you through with your issues or with whatever questions you have in terms of the trading, money management, risk management, psychology part, and all that. Okay, and yeah, so anything related to stock picking, whatever it is, right? So I can connect with you one on one and guide you through with all these. Okay, so if anybody wants to open dhan account and with my link, the link is in the description of the videos and also in the about page of the channel. Okay, so having said that, let's dive into our today's session. Okay, and yeah, so I was super busy this week, and today also I'm very busy, but I wanted to do at least a little bit of trade today, so I haven't done for the past 2 days. But yes, I did take one BTST trade yesterday. Towards the end of the day, I have bought 120 quantity of 54,300 PE, expecting the market to be opening gap down today, right? So market opened gap down, and then as soon as the market opened, I booked the profit, in this trade, and made about some 15,000, close to 15,000 there. And today's intraday trade 6,800 in one trade. Like overall, it is 21,500 in Zerodha, and then some 10,000 in the intraday trade in Dhan. So overall, it's around 32,000 for today. And then yeah, so what was the plan, and what are the levels for today, right? So today, these are some of the important levels that I have drawn for today's intraday trading. You can see this is a fib retracement that I have drawn, and the golden zone is coming somewhere here for the support or the deep pullback. And then what are the levels? So yesterday's this swing high and then swing low, and this zone that I have marked in the blue color is the buy side imbalance or the fair value gap in the 1 hour time frame, which will be a very strong support. And also sell side imbalance as well, or the fair value gap that I have drawn here in the 1 hour time frame, right? You can see here, this is the sell side imbalance that I have marked over here. Okay, and then what is the order flow? The overall order flow is bullish. The overall market is bullish, and then we can look for a bullish trades only, though we have seen some sort of a sell off towards the end of the yesterday, right? So today, as soon as the market opened, it moved with the open low candle towards the upside. Okay, that gives a bullish indication. If I switch to lower time frame, you can see here. So I was little bit missed out on this opportunity to enter into this trade here. I was little away, but then yeah, you can see here there is a fair value gap, there is fair value gap in 5 minutes. Buy side imbalance is there, right? So there's a fair value gap as soon as, you know, from, market opened in the discount and then moves up to the premium and then comes back to the discount area, that is, fair value gap. As soon as it touches the fair value gap, moves up again. Okay, so I missed out on this opportunity since I was a little away during that time, but then you can see here there is a little bit of a fair value gap here also, somewhere here in 5 minutes. Okay, so there is a little bit of a fair value gap in the 5 minutes here as well, the buy side imbalance, based on which I have entered into my trade somewhere here. When the price takes support here, I have initiated my call side trade here, for a upside move, right? So then I have averaged when it took support again at the, fair value gap and took support. I have added one more quantity here and then I have booked my profit when it is, when it broke out of this zone, and we have a nearby resistance as well, and more or less the market is also little bit of sideways. Okay, that was the only trade I did in the intraday and then done for today because I'm too busy. Let's dive into our today's live trading session and see I have managed the trades there and what was the psychology, and try to learn something from there. Yeah, so see you there. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome back again. So market is about to open, and as soon as the market opens I would like to close my yesterday's BTST trade. So since I was little busy during this week, I was not able to do the intraday trading. But then towards the end of the day, yesterday I bought 120 quantity of, you know 54,300 PE. So expecting that market is going to open gap down today. So exactly as I expected, market is opening gap down today. So just closed my BTST trade, guys. So you can see that we have made a profit of around close to 14,500 in this trade. We'll let you know if I take any more trades for today. Thank you. Market is showing bullishness right from the opening, guys. So you can see that it opened almost at the support levels and started moving up right from there. So let me mark here the zones. So this is a sell side imbalance that I'm marking here. So it's in 1 hour, right? 1 hour means, as the time frame is higher, the stronger the zones generally. So remember this point. So this is a sell side imbalance and buy side inefficiency. So in 1 hour, right? So this is one level that we can mark. Market didn't tap into the sell side imbalance, but then almost closed, moved very close to the zone, and then started, taking a small pullback. We can expect here a little bit of pullback and see what market does here, based on which we can plan for a trade. Market is little bit of sideways after that, guys. So let's wait for some more time to initiate a proper trade. So market is making a red candle right now. So let me mark a support zone here. I'm sure this is not a reversal, but this is a manipulation candle. So it's a very high probable that market may tap into this zone that I'm marking here and then starts moving up. This is a buy side imbalance which can act as a support in 5 minutes time frame. Let's see what is going to happen. I was little away after that, guys. So you can see that as soon as price taps into this support zone, moved up from there. I could not initiate a trade because I was little away. And then, yeah, it's not a good idea to initiate any trade right now. But then let me wait until it gives a pullback towards the support zone again, and then we'll try to initiate a long side trade. You can see market is continuously moving up, but I don't want to short here. I don't have a short side view. Rather than I will wait for the right opportunity to go long, actually to buy call, right? You can see we are almost there to take an entry, guys. You can see almost the price reached towards the golden fib, right? And this candle right here is our entry candle. So let's see. You can see here I'm marking this fib levels over here uh, to average basically. So on all these levels, so it's an opportunity to average, you know, to go long actually. So whenever the price moves towards the lower levels, I will try to average. That's the idea. I have marked these levels over here. Let's see. You can see a strong, 5 minutes candle has closed. I would like to enter here with a little bit of quantity. Just bought 105 quantity of 53,800 here, the in the money call, right? So the price is trading around 54,000. We bought 53,800 call. Let's see how this trade goes on from here. Thank you. In between, I have added, two more times 105 quantity, guys. A little bit of green right now we are into. And let's see how this trade goes on. So we are getting a little bit of momentum, and right now the market is little choppy and then sideways after the initial, morning move. So the idea is to not hold this for too long time for bigger targets, rather than if we get a little bit of a breakout above the 1 hour CB or the sell side imbalance or the fair value gap, I would like to exit this trade, guys, somewhere around with 40 points of premium. Let's see. Market just tried to move above the level that I have marked on the premium chart and then reversed from there, making couple of red candles in the lower time frame right now. And then it's a good opportunity to enter more quantity, but then today I don't want to play with the huge quantity as such. Um, yeah, so let's see. It was a little bit of a sideways time, and then right now we are getting a little bit of momentum, guys. So we'll try to exit with a good 40 points of premium, not more than that is anticipated in this trade. As expected, we got the momentum that we wanted, guys, and price is also trying to move above the 1 hour fair value gap, right? I'll try to close the trade here, so as we have planned. Okay, we are getting close to 15,000. Okay, let me close the trade with all the quantity here, guys. So I have just exited all 315 quantity and exited the trade in Zerodha as well. So let me pull that here. So today I made a profit of about 10,000 change in dhan in the intraday trade, and then in Zerodha I made a profit of around 22,000. So it's overall 32,000 of profit today. So forget about the profit, guys. You are not going to get anything from my profits or losses, but then try to learn something from the trade management that I do, how I mark the zones or levels, how I think during the intraday trading, and then how I manage the trades and all that. Hope you have learned something from today's session, and see you in the next session, in the next trading session. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.